Well, ladies and gentlemen, we now move on to our next category, which is excellence in education. This award confirms international recognition of the quality of educational services and management, increases the authority of an educational institution and its leader, both nationally and worldwide, as well as stimulates partnerships and investment attractiveness of scientific research. This prestigious award in the educational field is given to Nicolae Bălescu Land Forces Academy from Sibiu in Romania. And the rector is Professor Dr. Ghita Barsan.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As rector of Nicolae Bălescu Land Forces Academy of Sibiu, Romania, I would like to mention that for us, as member of this community, it is an honor and a joy to be selected as part of the most prestigious category of top educational institution in Europe.
Thank you. I have a few questions, recorded interviews. So what is Nicolae Bălescu Land Forces Academy's history and its milestones?
The existence of over 174 years of Nicolae Bălescu Land Forces Academy of Sibiu is connected with the history of the establishment and development of modern Romania. In addition to the first school of officers established in 1847 in Bucharest, a second school was founded in Sibiu at the end of the First World War. Later, the two merged into a single one with its headquarters in Sibiu, and the educational and military tradition of the former were taken over by our institution and preserved with sanctity up to this day. Of the 100 years of the Academy in Sibiu, the last 26 years have been aligned to the great transformations and adaptation to the new challenges of the beginning of the 21st century. Romania's accession to NATO structure in 2004 and the integration into the European Union in 2007 required the adjustment and diversification of the study programs in the Land Force Academy according to the new Euro-Atlantic standards. The efforts of the military academic community in Sibiu were rewarded with highest grade, that of high confidence, by the Romanian Agency for Quality Assurance in Higher Education after the institutional evaluation of the 2010, 2016 and 2021. Today, the Military Academy of Sibiu is a modern university campus which offers students the best training conditions. The generation of officers who graduated from our institution have fundamentally marked the destinies of our country through its development. We are very proud of that.
I'm sure you are. Can you tell us about your academy values and its key principles?
Our main values are always related to these three holy words: country, honor, duty. Nicolae Bălescu Land Forces Academy of Sibiu, Romania, is a public higher military education institution fully integrated within the national and European education system. University autonomy is guaranteed by law, and our institution has legal personality, being able to organize and develop accredited bachelor and master programs. Its main goal is to form commissioned leaders for the Romanian land forces, as well as for the other beneficiaries from the national defense, public order, or national security system. Our institution offers outstanding training opportunities to those who decide to attend these courses. We have a dedicated and committed teaching staff and modern training facilities. We offer accredited study programs that are periodically evaluated. We provide professional experience through internship programs at home or partnership abroad. The cadets' scientific and vocational abilities are developed through workshops and by involving them in extracurricular activities. Moreover, our university has become a strong institution able to anticipate the main challenges of our times and to provide a high-quality student-centered education. The university management is based on the allocation of resources in relation to the real priorities and needs of institutional development. There is also an efficient cooperation among the members of the academic community in the decision-making process. Through our bachelor and master programs, we are committed to form young characters meant to be future leaders and decision makers at all military levels. They will also serve our nation as open-minded citizens and well-trained guardians of the values and principles on which sovereignty and independence are built. In a challenging world where COVID-19 and other emerging threats have an increased impact of our society, education is one of the most appropriate tools to deal to the present and especially to the future. For sure, Nicolae Bălcescu Land Forces Academy of Sibiu, Romania, has managed to successfully integrate into national and European academic system by providing education and training for young women and men dedicated to serve the nation and as officer of the Romanian Army.
And finally, my last question for you is, what vital regional social initiatives do you support? And can you tell us about the latest project the Academy is involved in?
Our institution is presently involved in a significant number of initiatives and events under the framework of international programs such as Erasmus+, the European Initiative for the Exchange of Military Young Officers, Emilio, and other international activities. After the Erasmus program was implemented in the academy in the academic year 2011-2012, we managed to develop an important number of partnerships following three main directions: European Union countries, non-European Union countries, and strategic partnerships. The first two categories consist of several types of mobilities for students, teaching staff, and military instructors in 31 partner institutions. In order to deepen this relation and adapt the constant changes of military academic environment, our institution is constantly hosting the International Students' Week and the International Week of Nicolae Bălcescu Land Forces Academy, actually the Day of Academy. The strategic partnership, starting in the academic year 2017-2018 with the implementation of an international semester, and continues with other two projects, the Military Gender Study projects and the Interdisciplinary Education and Training on Hybrid Warfare. Our academy is also part of the European Initiative for the Exchange of Military Young Officers, Emilio, also known as Military Erasmus. This platform supports and encourages us to participate the students and young officers in military training and in cultural, professional, and sport activities. Also, it facilitates the cooperation with other higher education military institutions in Europe. At the same time, our institution is a founding member of the International Military Academic Forum, alongside other four institutions from Europe in Austria, Czech Republic, Poland, and Hungary. Since 2014, his event has been organized annually by rotation. The IMA Forum aims to consolidate and develop the existing cooperation among the military academies and to identify possible solutions that can improve the exchange of students and young officers within the Emilio program. The 2015 edition were organized in Land Forces Academy. Next year, our institution will be once again the host of this international forum. The European Union Military Academy Commandants Seminar, EUMAX, it's another international event we have been part of since 2017. The event is dedicated to the decision factors in European military academies. The 2019 edition was hosted by Land Forces Academy in Sibiu. Our institution is also involved in another two programs, the Cultural Understanding and Language Proficiency and the French Officer Cadets Training Course. As part of these programs, foreign cadets have the possibility to attend a period of training in our institution. Finally, I would like to emphasize that the internationalization represents an essential component for any higher education institution. For Nicolae Bălcescu Land Forces Academy of Sibiu, it constitutes a long-term engagement and investment also both for the student and the personnel of the institution, and also for our partners.
Thank you very much, sir.